Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is Kirov class battle cruiser. In December 1977, a Baltic shipyard in Leningrad launched the largest warship other than aircraft carriers built by any nation since World War II. Commissioned into Soviet fleet service in 1980s, Kirov was assigned missile cruiser designation by the Soviets and CGN designation by Americans. 5 vessels were laid down between 1974 and 1989, but only 4 were completed. The first ships were named after heroes of Bolshevik Revolution, but with the end of the communist state, all have been renamed. These nuclear-powered ships were almost as large as the famous USS Iowa-class battleship. And initially to find and engage enemy missile submarines, it became a much more capable warship when it was equipped with the long-range P-700 Granit anti-ship missiles. In appearance and firepower, Kirov is more like a battle cruiser than any normal missile cruiser. Its power plant is unique in being a combined nuclear and steam system. Two reactors are coupled to oil-fired boilers that superheat the steam produced in the reactor plant to increase the power output available during high-speed running. Most of the weapon systems are located forward of the massive superstructure. The stern is used to house machinery and a below-deck helicopter hangar which accesses the flight deck via a lift. Up to 5 Ka-27 helicopters can be accommodated in the hangar, though a normal complement is 3. The helicopters are a mix of anti-submarine warfare and missile guidance or electronic intelligence variants. The latter provides target data for the main battery of 20 P-700 Granit anti-ship cruise missiles. These missiles are located below the decks forward in 45-degree angled launch tubes. These missiles have a range of 625 km and carry a 750 kg high explosive warhead or nuclear warhead with a blast yield of 0.5 megaton. Other weapons and systems vary from ship to ship. Area air defense is provided by vertical launched S-300F4 long-range surface-to-air missiles, housed in a total of 96 launches forward to the P-700 Granit beams. Close-in defenses is handled by a mix of OSAM missiles, 30mm close-in weapon systems and 130mm dual-purpose guns. The main anti-submarine warfare armament is a reloadable twin Rostrov anti-submarine missile launcher with 16 missiles and associated variable depth low-frequency sonar and a low-frequency bow sonar. Later ships carry 10 Vodopad torpedo carrying missiles. The Kirov class battle cruisers have the world's largest missile battery at 352 missiles. The sheer size of the ships meant that they had plenty of space for command, control and communications outfit and could serve as effective fleet flagship. One of their intended missions was to act as a task group command escort to the aircraft carriers being planned by the Soviet Navy. Because of the size and complexity, these warships were incredibly expensive to build and to maintain. Admiral Ushakov was inactive since the early 1990s following a reactor accident and has been cannibalized to provide parts. Admiral Lazarev is also inactive and laid up. It has been out of service for more than a decade and is destined to be scrapped. It is unlikely that their modernization will occur due to funding problems and poor state of this ship. Admiral Nakimov was refitted in 1994 but did not go to sea from 1997. It is undergoing repairs, complete refit since 1999. It was planned that this cruiser will join the fleet in 2018 to 2019. However, these plans were delayed and the Admiral Nakimov will join the fleet not earlier than 2022. This warship is being armed with the latest weapons and sensors, and its original weapon systems are being antiquated today. It is being fitted with modernized Fort M long-range air defense system. Its P-700 Granit launchers are being replaced by universal vertical launch cells for a mix of caliber NK land attack cruise missiles, P-800 Onkins anti-ship missiles, Tyserkon hypersonic anti-ship and land attack missiles, and 91R TE2 anti-submarine missile. A total of 72 missiles can be carried in the universal cells. More modern CIWS systems and anti-submarine armament is being fitted. Once relaunched, it will arguably be the most powerful surface combatant in the world. Peter Veliky was launched in 1989 but was not completed until 1998. It was the most modern warship of the class fitted with comparatively modern systems. Currently, only the Peter Veliky is in active service. It is the Russian Navy's flagship of the Arctic-based Northern Fleet. Russian Navy struggles to maintain the two remaining cruisers. Lack of funds also meant that the fifth ship, the Kuznetsov, was cancelled in 1990 and scrapped before launch. The name was assigned to an aircraft carrier. Its crew requires 727 men. Its length is 252 meter, its beam is 28.5 meter and its draught is 10 meter. Its displacement in standard is 24,300 tons and when it is fully loaded it displaces 26,500 tons. Its speed is 30 knots. So this was a video on Kirov class battle cruiser. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get more defense related content and press the bell icon and set it to all notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads I am releasing on this channel. Thank you for watching.